Celebrate Christmas.
Hey there, fellow wanderers of the internet. Andito tayo ngayon sa SM City Lucena, where the holiday spirit is in full swing. If you've ever wondered kung anong pakiramdam na maranasan ang Pasko sa Pilipinas, you're in for a treat. Ngayon nga po ay masasaksihan natin ang grand lighting ng SM City Lucena's Christmas centerpiece, Christmas Along with the Stars. Wow!
Celebrate Christmas. Celebrate Christmas.
SM City Lucena had organized a short program led by the mall's administration. Sa pangunguna po yan ni Ma'am Maricel Alqueros, the mall manager, with the honorable presence ng mga iba pa pong opisyal ng SM Mall, kagaya po ni Engineer Jason Tarenal.
Kahit pagod na pagod siya, nandito siya ngayon para sa ating centerpiece. Palapakan niyo naman!
Pati na rin po ng local city and provincial officials dito po sa lungsod ng Lucena at probinsya ng Quezon. Ang naging host po ay ang napakagandang si Miss Jessa Ilagan Avila. Quezonian po yan. Binibining Nyugnyugan 2018. Miss Cosmo World Philippines 2023 Tourism. Wow! At napakaganda nga po ng atmosphere dito. Makikita natin ang mga naggagandahang Christmas decoration, setting the perfect festive mood. Super excited na po ang lahat na mapailawan ng mga Christmas decoration na to. May mga nakita rin po tayong mga kaibigan at bagong kakilala. The problem was, hindi ko napansin na nakabaliktad ang microphone ng camera natin, kaya hindi marinig ang aming usapan. A big shout out to Jelyn Almendras at sa mga kasama niya. Yo, nice to see you guys!
Christmas giving. It's a celebration like no other. And the magic in SM Malls assures us Christmas can't get better than this.
Come on and celebrate. Celebrate Christmas. Celebrate Christmas.
3, 2, and 1.
Buhay na buhay po ang mall atrium with captivating performances and musicals. At sobrang gagaling po ng mga performers natin. It seemed that Santa Claus himself was coming to town. Siyempre kasama yung kanyang Merry Squad. Pero the one taking center stage dito ay ang mga naglalakihang Christmas tree. Hindi lang po isa, kundi 3 gigantic Christmas trees. The largest of the trio was breathtaking and customized 25-foot giant Christmas tree na may nakalagay na mga Christmas ornaments and various finishes. Mula po yan sa matte, to shiny, to glittery. So napakaganda niya pong tingnan with an array of other elements at saka po mga ilaw and different sizes and proportions. The true highlight of the setup, however, was the shine and sparkle of the big stars na nasa ibabaw po ng Christmas tree. Yan pong mga stars na yan ay gawa sa translucent material covering acrylic fibers na nakabalot around sturdy star frames with brilliant LED lights illuminated from within, creating a mesmerizing, multi-dimensional decoration that brought the Christmas season to life in a very magical way. At hindi po dyan natatapos ang Christmas magic. Sa paligid po ng mga Christmas tree na yan, meron po mga nagagandahan ding gigantic and miniature lighted beers, iconic toy soldiers, mga thematic gift boxes, malalaking Christmas balls. So napaka-IG worthy po. The atmosphere was also adorned ng mga iba't ibang kulay na confettis that merged the magic of the holiday season. Syempre with a modern aesthetic touch. Kaya hindi ko rin napigilan ang sarili ko na makipagbatuhan ng mga confetti at makipaglaro to these beautiful kids. At syempre si Santa Claus na kinagiliwan ng mga bata. For the magic and wonder he represents during the holiday season syempre. Si Santa yung nagsisimbolo ng pagbibigayan, kasiyahan at kabutihan, making him a beloved figure. So yung makita mo si Santa is a chance for kids to share their deepest desires and dreams, knowing that he listens with a caring heart. Kaya po yung opportunity na makapagpa-picture kay Santa Claus is a cherished tradition. Hindi ka dumaan sa pagkabata kung hindi mo na-encounter si Santa Claus. Those tangible memories with the jolly old man na mayroong makapalat na puting balbas. It's a moment of pure joy and anticipation, making it a magical experience ng mga bata. Look forward to every year.
Moment with us. Thank you very much. Share experience and spread more hope, peace and joy, and of course, love with sis. Let us create happy memories with our families and friends as we light up the holidays.
Amidst all this grandeur and sparkle, huwag nating kalilimutan the true spirit of Christmas. It's all about love, sharing, and caring for one another. Huwag nating kalilimutan na you can make a positive impact sa buhay ng isang tao, lalo na doon sa mga nangangailangan. Kaya po sa mga SM malls, meron po silang amazing initiative na matagal na nilang ginagawa. The SM Cares Burst of Joy. Kada bili mo po ng isang beer, they will donate one to an underprivileged child. It's a beautiful way to make a positive impact sa buhay po ng mga tao, lalo na ng mga nangangailangan, while enjoying your holiday shopping. So there you have it, folks. Christmas is in the air at yung festive magic has truly begun at SM City Lucena. Hindi lamang po yan sa mga dekorasyon at pailaw. Kung hindi, it's about the warmth, the love, and the joy na ibinabahagi natin sa ating mga kaibigan at kapamilya during this special season. Kaya kung ikaw ay nandito sa Pilipinas, make sure to head over to SM City Lucena o sa pinakamalapit na SM Mall sa inyong lugar and experience this spectacular celebration for yourself. As I stand here, amidst the glittering Christmas light, I'm reminded that this is what the holiday season is all about. Coming together, spreading joy, and cherishing the moments that truly matter. So with that in mind, I wish you all ng napakasayang Christmas, and may your hearts be as warm and bright as the stars that shine here at SM City Lucena. Maraming salamat for joining me on this incredible Christmas journey. Stay tuned for more adventures and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting vlogs. Happy holidays everyone! Bye!